Nobel Algarve is a really special school. We have our two-campus Lagoa, which has been here for a long time. It's the longest running private school in the Algarve, so it has tradition and solidity. With 50 different nationalities, it's a really exciting and vibrant place to be. And then we have our Almancil campus, which is brand new, opened in September this year. It's state-of-the-art buildings, all brand new, all feels kind of exciting and fresh. So here at Nobel Algarve in Almancil, we run a national curriculum that's English, but it's contextualised to be with Portugal. So our students all learn Portuguese and other languages, as well as the traditional subjects like English and maths and science and history and geography. We use up-to-date research to make sure that the teaching and learning in every classroom is as effective as it can be. So we can tailor our lessons to really bring on each individual student, encouraging the holistic journey of our students through the school. We're a safe pair of hands where every student will thrive no matter what their strengths are. We're very lucky to have students who are inquisitive and interested in their learning, and we use that to really challenge them to be the best that they can be. We have very experienced teachers, and that means that we're able to teach them the knowledge and the skills they need to be successful, and they build confidence, and that means that they are able to stand up for themselves, shape the world, they're able to work with us and collaborate really effectively, and they become really truly global citizens. We truly believe here that we want to encourage our students to look for a juster and more sustainable future. We give them the skills and the knowledge, as well as the confidence to make a difference. We encourage our students to have a strong set of values and to act on those values, to stand up for what they believe in with confidence and articulacy. We want them to shape our school and shape the world.